Hey everybody, today we'll show you how to get Procreate for free. So if you're wondering how to get the Procreate trial for free, in today's video we are going to find out that and what to expect and what to not. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can go over to any of the browser available, open it up, and from there, once you open up the browser, you can search for Procreate and hit enter. When you hit enter, you will be finding the Procreate available. It is an app designed for iPad. So if you want to get the free version, when you go over to the official site, you can see you will be finding their site here with different description available within the application. Now, if you're looking for a free trial of Procreate, there is not a free trial of Procreate. It is sold as one of the one-time paid app on the iPad App Store. There is no such thing as trial or subscription. So we can see the apps option here. You can see Procreate for iPad. These options here, even learning and different company. So you can even go to their help center for looking for the answers. Or if you're looking to really download it, if you really want to use it, the only method available is really downloading it by buying it. So we have this option for buy now option. You can see the prices value. It is for USD 14.99, and similarly we have Procreate Dreams, which is for 22.99 US dollar. So you can just go over and click on this option called buy now if you really want it, and once you find it up, you can just go over and go on with the payment option available. This application is only available for App Store, for iOS only, so we do not have it on Windows. So what you need to do is you need to go over and download it from your App Store on your iPad or on your mobile device as well. You can look out for the mobile version as well, and you can just go over and download the Procreate by paying certain amounts. You can add up your card or any other payment method in order to use Procreate, and that's it. So therefore, that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.